December 17, 2015. Welcome. My name is Marjan Bezadi. I'm the Permit Process Manager in the Community Development Department, and I will be the hearing officer for the meeting today. The purpose of this meeting is to offer an opportunity for anyone who wishes to comment on the case to be heard. If you wish to speak on this case, please fill out a gray speaker card, and if you only want to register your support or opposition without speaking, you can fill out an orange statement card. Both of these cards, along with the agenda and staff report, are available at the entrance or with our recording secretary. The cards must be completed and submitted to the recording secretary as soon as possible. This hearing is not televised or video recorded. However, it is audio recorded, and written summary notes of the meeting will be prepared as record. After all the speakers have spoken on the case, I will make a decision on the application. I will be considering the testimonies, the report provided by staff, and any other information or documents that are submitted and applicable. My decision may be appealed, and I will talk about the appeal rights at the end of the hearing. The applicant or the principal representative of the applicant will have 15 minutes to speak regarding the application. Other speakers are limited to 5 minutes. After everyone has testified, the applicant or their representative will have 5 minutes of rebuttal. After that, I will close the hearing and proceed to a decision. When you're called to speak, please come to the microphone and state your first and last name and city of residence. Also, in keeping with standard city policy for public hearings, please no loud talking or disruptive behavior inside the hearing chambers, and all cell phones or electronic devices should be turned off or on silent mode. Okay, I would now like to ask Ms. Wadril, our recording secretary, to call the hearing. Ms. Wadril?
Hearing advertised as required by law is hereby open to consider agenda item 2A regarding case DPTE 2015-70330. Applicant, Academy Road, LLC. Request to allow a time extension for a previously approved retail shopping center. Location 915 Estates Drive.
Thank you. The planner for this case is Senior Planner Claudia Pedroso, who will be presenting the case. Good afternoon, Ms. Pedroso. Could you please provide your report on the case?
Good afternoon, Ms. Bezadi. Thank you. The request in front of you is a request for an administrative hearing on a project that was previously approved in 2010 for the Seventh-day Adventist project. And right now they have submitted a time extension to the project that will extend the inauguration time to an additional 2 years. That will be towards the end of 2018. The request for the hearing came from Mr. Quidwai. He was saying that he wanted to have the administrative hearing based on the fact that there are a lot of empty retail space in the area, and that he was concerned that continuing with approval of this project would add on to or hinder some of the other retailers or empty retail space in the area. The project, since it has been approved, there has not been any changes to the project, and there have not been any changes to regulations or to codes. So therefore, staff supports that the time extension should be approved, and based on the suggested findings and also in the conditions of approval. It should be noted also that in the last couple of days, Mr. Quidwai had submitted a couple of emails to staff requesting for this hearing to be continued, based on the fact that proper notification or proper information have been provided, and staff has concluded that we have advertised the project